How to allow people to post on your Facebook page. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Then, go to Page and Tagging. Here, go to Who can post on your page under Viewing and Sharing. Select Everyone. Then, tap on Save below. This means that anyone on or off Facebook can post on your page. Following these steps, you can easily allow people to post on your Facebook page. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.